Many of you have already experienced herbal medicine's positive effects on your health. I hope that through these videos you gain tools to take an even greater role in your own well-being. And that being said, no forum, post, or website comment should be considered health advice. You are responsible for consulting a medical professional before trying any new herb or remedy mentioned in these videos or any related forum. The content is for informational or educational purposes only and does not substitute professional medical advice or consultations with healthcare professionals. When most people think of pharmacies, they think of this. When I think of pharmacies, I think of this. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and welcome to Medicinal Plants. And today we're going to talk about the dandelion, because it's the most common, everybody knows it. So let's get started. And this is the dandelion. Now, today's the morning, and it's been raining a lot and not as sunny, so the flowers aren't quite out as much. But this is still dandelion. So what I'm going to do first is just take the shovel and dig this one up. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is pick the flowers off, because the flowers can be used as food, or you can use them as medicine. So, you just kind of pull them right off like this. And now you had the flower, which I picked off, and then you have this one single hollow stem. And the leaves are also very distinctive, as you can see, because they got sharp teeth. And the roots, these are small roots, but the roots are all white inside. Okay, here's the dandelion stem, because I picked the flower off. But the dandelion stem, it's a hollow stem, and it has like a latex, and it's a white milky fluid inside. So if you're allergic to latex, you might not want to handle dandelions. And dandelions also look a lot like, here is the head of the flower. Dandelions also look a lot like colt's foot. And I can't see any colt's foot right around the area where I am right now, so I'll put a picture of colt's foot right here. So the colt's foot flower looks very much like the dandelion, only it's much smaller. And the stems aren't this smooth, hollow stem. It has scales all over the stem. So if you look at these roots, they are white. These aren't very big roots. They're quite small, actually. But the roots are excellent for the liver, because they support and help tone the liver, clean the liver, and help make it more efficient. If your liver is efficient, everything's going to fall into place and work in a much better way. So because dandelions are good for your liver, it's also going to impact your skin. You should be able to maintain clearer and healthier skin with the dandelion roots. Now, the leaves are great for the kidneys, and again, the kidneys are an organ of elimination, so you want the kidneys to work smoothly and efficiently. So, here are the leaves. The leaves are also diuretic, so they're going to help you eliminate waste through the urine, and that will also help to relieve blood pressure. A good thing about dandelions being a diuretic is that it has a lot of potassium, so your salts don't become imbalanced, as they would do with a pharmaceutical diuretic. A pharmaceutical diuretic that you would get from, say, your practitioner will not only relieve you of your potassium, but they can also relieve you of your B vitamins and your magnesium. So you really need to leave these things in your body to protect your heart. So dandelions are also good for your heart. The dandelion is looking after so many systems in your body, and the leaves can be added to your salad because the bitterness of the leaves also stimulate your digestive system, making it work better for you so that you absorb all your nutrients from your food. But on top of this, the leaves, if you chew them, can also help to restore your teeth enamel. That's right. And like I said, you can use the flowers and put them in your salad and use them as food. Or you can take and soak them in oil for about 6 weeks or so and make a salve out of them. The salve can be used for people with rheumatic and arthritic pain to be rubbed on your arthritis to help relieve the pain. And with those roots, you'll use those roots, you can make a tincture and use them fresh, or you can dry them out, and then you can dry the leaves too and make a tea out of them. Well, I hope you changed your mind about dandelions being just a weed. And I'll be back to visit dandelion at a later time, and I'll show you exactly how to make that tea, how to make that tincture, and how to make that salve. If you like learning about medicinal plants, please like and comment and subscribe, so I'll know that you like having more of these videos.